Hi, let's have a look how the Younium self-service feature can improve your customer experience and create a new revenue channel. We'll start by having a look at the Younium self-service hub. That's your backend as a Younium customer where you can define everything about the self-service experience. There's two ways you can go here, either for embedded components where we can provide code to you that you can plug in directly to your solution, or you can use the hosted self-service portal, which means we host a portal for you and your customers, and you can just redirect your customers directly to your own portal. Looking at such a portal from a customer perspective, here you can see the overview for the customers, so they can view and download their invoices, they can manage their account settings, and they can view and manage their subscriptions depending on your settings in the backend. And if they're an admin, they can add the users here as well. Starting with my account, here you can see the account name, the account number, and a very typical scenario where they have to change their invoice email that they can now do directly from here. Click add it, change the email, click save, and we'll update it in Younium automatically. So the next time they get an invoice, it goes to the updated invoice email. And the same goes for the invoice address down here. I can also view the invoices and the invoice status. So I can see 3 different invoices, 2 have been paid. One has the status open with a due date in January. They can download those invoices here as well. And if you enable it, they can also pay those invoices in here directly. Now coming to the subscriptions, and if you have enabled that for your customers, they can view their subscription. In this case, we have 1, but a customer could also have multiple subscriptions in here. I can see this subscription consists of the product user licenses. And because I have enabled it, currently they have 12 licenses. The customer can go in here, click add it, change the quantity. Let's change it to 15. They can review the change. They can see what the increase will be here, confirm it. And now they upgraded from 12 to 15 users, and we're doing the same thing in the background simultaneously. The other option that they have is, you can see it up here, is add. So if they want to buy an add-on, a new feature, they can click add. And then depending on what features you have selected that they can add, let's say they can add an add-on here. Let's pick this add-on X and add that to the subscription. I'll confirm that change. And now Younium will push all that information to the backend and update the order in Younium, which as a result will mean also Younium produces updated, potentially prorated invoices going out to the customer. So looking at Younium in the backend here, we can see this was the order before we made any changes. It was on version 1 with only the user licenses. If I now refresh that page here in Younium, you will be able to see that this is not the latest version anymore. We'll go to the latest. We made 2 changes, so we went from version 1 to 2 to 3 now. You can see in here also that we made an update to the user licenses, and we included this add-on on top here. Thanks so much for watching. If you have follow-up questions, feel free to reach out to us and go ahead and watch another video to learn even more about Younium.